It's 9th of October and it's a beautiful, glorious day in London.
Today we have a delicious and amazing video lined up for you. We'll be harvesting to cook Deshi Sabji. We'll be sharing with you a delicious and simple recipe.
And we'll give you an update on our turmeric and ginger plant.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
If you enjoy the types of videos that we make, you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.
And don't forget to like our videos.
Without further ado, Dad, let's start harvesting.
Let's start cooking. This year we had great success in growing potatoes in containers and grow bags. And we harvested about 6 or 7 bags a few weeks ago, and we had tons of potatoes.
We had a lot of potatoes from these containers and grow bags. We had a lot.
So for today's recipe we'll be needing potatoes. Luckily we still have a container left. So what do you think, we'll harvest the potatoes first?
Yes, let's harvest them first. We pull these ones out first.
Let's pull this. Whoa.
Whoa, already.
Wow.
Whoa, it's going to be
Hold it on
heavy.
this side. It's not going to be heavy, it's going to be quite simple. Oh.
Whoa.
Wow. Oh wow, okay, there's plenty of potatoes here.
Yes, Dad, are you ready for this?
Yes. Whoa.
Whoa. Look at these.
That is amazing.
These are some beauties. I love spuds. I'm going to put these in here.
Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, look.
These look so fresh.
Oh, plenty. I'm really pleased.
Whoa, this is amazing. That is a lot.
That's plenty.
Whoa, Dad, look at this.
Growing potatoes is very simple. You can grow them in grow bags, shopping bags, containers.
And they're also really fun to grow.
Put some soil in there, add some chicken manure pellet and some fish blood and bone, and you're good to go. Now, should we do the flat beans?
Yes, Dad, let's do them.
Flat beans, uri, is one of our favorite. So for today's recipe, we'll be needing flat beans, Hyaciniac bean or uri.
Dad, we're in luck. We have a lot to harvest.
We have a lot of uris to harvest today.
Look at this. Isn't this beautiful, Dad?
Amazing, yes. Yeah, they look beautiful.
They smell really fresh as well.
Yeah,
Whoa.
I like uri.
I really like uris with my fish curries and buzzies.
So today we're going to make a delicious
Buzzy,
sabji with our flat beans. So we have plenty of uris to harvest.
Yep, we do.
Uris are my favorite.
It's one of my favorite, Dad, as well.
Wow, there's plenty there, Akib.
Yes, Dad, I'm going to harvest this whole thing without...
Yeah, I think you just got that there. That looks nice.
Wow, it looks like a little tree, doesn't it, Dad?
Yeah, that looks beautiful, amazing. All right, so put that in this basket there. We had a good season for flat beans this year. Oh, Akib, bring your camera here. Bring your camera here. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see it?
Whoa, I see that, Dad.
That's beautiful.
Dad, next year we need to make a video on how to grow flat beans.
Yes, next year we will show everyone how to grow them, how to care for them, and how to get plenty of flat beans on there. Look at this.
Whoa. We have so many, Dad.
Okay, look.
And there's still plenty more to harvest. Dad, I think this is enough uris for today. We've got so many in here.
Yeah, I think that's plenty for today, Akib.
Yes.
Should we go and harvest a few aubergine?
Aubergines, yeah.
And should we harvest that kumra, that ash gourd?
Okay then.
All right, let's do that.
Are you sure that's ready to be harvested
yet? Yes, it's ready to be harvested.
Okay.
We haven't had much luck with ash gourd this year, but we're going to harvest that. It's a tiny one, but happy.
We can still harvest it. There it is, Dad. It's not too big, but I'm still happy. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty spiky, this one.
Yeah, I know, it's have to.
I'm going to cut.
Yeah, that's
Whoa,
good.
it looks so cute, doesn't it?
Our first Kumra of 2021 first ash gourd.
Dad, what should we make with this one?
We'll think about that later. Let's cook today's recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, now should we harvest those aubergines? There's beautiful looking aubergine.
Yeah, let's harvest these.
There's one there. Can you see the big one there?
Yeah, this looks really big, this one.
Yep. Can you manage it there?
Yep.
Yes.
Dad, I think this is the one that we were saving for seeds.
I think we have saved quite a few for the seed, so we can save seed from this one.
Okay.
All right, so do this one. All right, so let's deal with the aubergines.
Dad, I'm going to harvest. Should I harvest all of these
Yeah,
ones?
you harvest all of them, yeah.
Okay, this is a
It's the
small
end of the
one.
season.
And there's one more. That's
And you
it.
can put them in this tray here with the potatoes.
Dad, how many more do we need?
We won't need any more, but let's harvest as much as we can.
Okay.
We've got plenty of chilies to harvest.
Yep, yes we do, Dad.
I'm really pleased with this harvest. Plenty of potatoes, aubergine. We've been harvesting for the past 3 months. Plenty of seam, flat beans. Now let's give you an update on our turmeric plant, which I planted we started this I think back in March, and we made a video how to grow turmeric at home. And so let's check on it. Now turmeric is a root vegetable. It grows under the ground and it's known as rhizome. Now can you see this beautiful holdy coming up? Yes? And if I move some earth from here, I have beautiful, oh, it's beautiful. Can you see? Right. I'm not going to be harvesting the turmeric today. I'm going to bury the rhizome with the earth and leave it for another few more weeks until the plant dies down. So I will wait until the plant dies. I'm going to keep that inside my greenhouse, and maybe 5 or 6 weeks time I will harvest the turmeric when the plant dies down. The plant looks nice and healthy, so I think we'll get a few more roots. It will expand. Shall we check on the ginger that we planted about 3 months ago? I planted a few ginger plants. So the ginger plant looks a bit like bamboo canes. And again, you would normally harvest them when the plant dies down. But I'm going to just show you the root here. And I can see is, can you see the ginger rhizome here? So I'm quite pleased with the ginger. So I'm going to bury the ginger rhizome with a bit of earth and wait till the plant dies down before I will harvest. Hopefully in about 5-6 weeks time, before the winter.
The harvesting is done. Everything's prepared. Let's start cooking.
Today's recipe is going to be a simple but delicious recipe. We're going to be using our garden bagan, aloo, uri, some red pepper and onions, garlic, and plenty of chilies to give some kicks to it.
So it's nice and spicy, just how we like it. Some oil.
Some oil.
Dad, is this vegetable oil?
This is vegetable oil, yes,
Okay.
vegetable oil. And we're going to add some, when the oils
Heats up.
heats up, we're going to add some garlic.
Dad, should we test if the oil has
Let's
heated up
see.
yet?
Yes.
Yeah, it has. It's sizzling
So
already.
plenty of garlic. All right.
Dad, can you hear that sizzle?
Yes. That's the sizzling.
Give it a good mix, Dad. It's already turning brown, can you see?
Turning brown, yes. So
Me too, Dad.
add some salt.
Some salt for taste.
Okay, the onions has turned brown, and the garlic has turned brown. So we're going to add the potatoes first before we add spice,
Or the
the
bagan.
bagan and the uri.
It's because the potatoes take a little longer to cook.
Yes, so let's add the potatoes.
Then the
Alright, so give it a good mix. Cover, and when the potato is half cooked, then we'll add the rest of the spice and the vegetables. Now let's check on it. That looks delicious.
Yes, it looks fabulous, Dad.
That looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yep.
It's time for us to add the rest of the spices. I'm going to be adding some tomato puree.
For the sweetness.
Some sweetness and colour. Not too much.
Dad, let me give it a good mix.
And some curry powder and haldi.
Look at the colours coming in. This looks absolutely beautiful.
And I can smell the aromatic spices. Oh, that looks nice. Let's give that a nice good mix. Now let's add the aubergines.
There we go. And let me
now
give
let's
it a
add the seam uri. Now give that a nice mix, Akib.
Whoa, this is so cool.
Give it a good mix. We sprinkle some panchpurun. Now,
Dad, I can't wait to try this. It's going to taste so delicious.
Now let's cover this so that it cooks properly.
Some fresh lemon leaves for extra flavours. And of course some fresh chilies for the extra heat.
Okay, I think it's time to add the chilies, lemon leaves and the bell pepper. And the bell peppers. That will give extra color and flavor. Now let's give this a good mix.
Wow, doesn't this look amazing?
That does look amazing.
It smells
delicious.
It smells delicious. I wish you could smell this.
Okay, so now I'm going to leave this to cook for another 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'm going to add some coriander, and that will be done.
Yeah.
Now let's check on this. Amazing, beautiful.
That looks so delicious, guys.
That's delicious. Doesn't this look amazingly beautiful?
Yes, it does.
Let's add some fresh coriander.
Wow, that looks amazing.
That looks amazing, beautiful.
It looks so delicious.
Looks beautiful. Oh wow, look at this beauty. It looks delicious. Now we're going to put a paratha to the side. Wow, look at this. Let's make one plate for your mum. That looks amazingly beautiful.
Doesn't this dish look absolutely delicious?
It's time for you to try it, Akib.
Yes, it is, Dad. I'm really excited to try it. Let me get some paratha.
So we are eating this bhaji with paratha.
This is so delicious. Let me try it. That is so delicious, and that is amazing. It's like a spice explosion in my mouth. That's how delicious it is.
I'm going to try the uri, the pepper.
How is it, Dad?
Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Yeah, Dad, it's really yummy, isn't it? I love the red pepper. It tastes so delicious.
If you enjoy watching our videos, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our video.
And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening and happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. Now let's get your mum to try some.
Yeah.
This is absolutely beautiful. It's delicious, Akib. You've done a good job.
Yes, we have, Dad. Is that Amma was always in.